wet coats, air dryers. Has there ever been a better combo to get us through the winter months? So stick with me and I'm going to explain why this is my favourite combo for this time of year. Dark nights, cold temperatures, grime on the road. Not a fun time of year to be out washing your car, I get it. But don't neglect the maintenance wash, because even if you've got a coating, those pores become blocked, the dirt sits longer, it becomes less hydrophobic, and by springtime, you've got a bit of a job on to get your paint popping again. So this is how you do it the easy way. Now, you've got to do a contact wash using something like our Mammoth Fluffmeister Flex Washmitt. There's a deal on these purple ones, which I will tell you about at the end of the video. But once you've got your contact wash out of the way, you can dry your hands and get your gloves on, because the rest of it is pretty much touchless. So once you've done the wash and the rinse, that's where your wet coat comes in. Spray it, rinse it off, and you've got hydrophobic protection. Then it's a case of drying it. Now, because your paint's now hydrophobic, it'd be rude not to use an air dryer. Air dryers are brilliant at removing water from all the tight places like your wing mirrors or in the wheels, in the spokes. Gets rid of all the drips, and then you can finally use your Mammoth triple twist dual. Instead of dragging it around, getting it soaked, you just pop it on the paint, tap, 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 bit of a dab, and there you go. Your paint's perfectly dry with no smears. And your towel stays drier because you're not dragging it around, getting it absolutely soaked, and it's never going to dry because it's that cold outside. So it keeps your towel in better condition as well. So let me walk you through some of my favourite wet coats. Now, I know wet coats are not everybody's favourite product. If you've had one go wrong, it can leave water spotting and marring. It's just such a pain to get off. It can put you off using them again. But that's why I'm here, because I've tried and tested so many different wet coats. I can tell you that these three are very forgiving. So firstly, avoid anything which is not compatible on glass, because it's impossible to spray one on and avoid the glass unless you're going to tape it up, which is impractical. So rule those out straight away. Now, I've got three wet coats here that I'll walk you through that are very forgiving. DIY Details Quick Beads. Now, this has got some really good reviews. I own a bottle of this myself. I love it. But in summer, you've got to be a little bit careful because it can dry on the paint and cause that horrible marring. But in winter, you don't tend to have that problem. And I find you can easily spray all the way around the car, then go and rinse it. You're not having to do it panel by panel like some of them. But I think that's one of the strongest ones that is just on the edge of you've just got to keep an eye on it. Next, we've got Pro Hydr02 Lite. So, Pro do a few wet coat style products. They do this, which is the light, which means you can put a trigger straight in this bottle and it's ready to use. You can also buy this exact product, but in a, I think it's ×10 concentration, the concentrated version of this. And you can also buy a snow foam version of it, but I tend to just use this one, and it does the job really good. Glass and paint, it's beading, super hydrophobic from one pass around. And then we've got Alchemy DuckTail. So this is the ceramic V2 version, which I'm glad to say is also compatible on glass now. This one is the most forgiving out of the three, but it doesn't bead quite as well from one pass, so you might just have to go around and do a second pass with it. But if you're worried about being cautious, then this is probably the one I would go for. So which air dryer do you go for? Well, it kind of comes down to budget. So for around 100 quid, you've got handheld dryers. One here from Max Shine, another one from Blo, the Air S. Great bits of kit, very powerful, come with a couple of different nozzles on there. But my fave, if you can get up to about £180, you start buying the floor mounted dryers. So they've got a bigger motor, 5-meter hose, but the best bit is heated hose. So now you've gone from just keeping your hands dry to actually warming them. Finally, don't forget, after you've removed 99% of the water, you're still going to need a drying towel. And this is our triple twist dual XL. So that's triple twist fibres on both sides. That's going to be perfect for just dabbing up those last few drops. Now, I mentioned we've got an offer on our Fluffmeister Flex Washmitt. Proper fluffy little mitt is that one, and it's perfect for getting around all the contours of your car. You can use it as a mitt, or you can fold the cuff in and use it as a wash pad. Now, we do them in 3 colours, but at the moment on our website, which I'll put a link in the description to, if you buy 3 of these, you get 1 of them free. So just add 3 to your cart in purple and you'll only pay for 2. That's it from me this time. For more tips, stay tuned, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.